Hello, hello. How's it going today? How was your day? Hi, Dmitry. How's it going? I'm going to preempt the questions. I'm going great. Could have slept a little bit more yesterday, but still, doing great. Greetings, Nigma. How's it going today, Nigma? How's it going, Dmitry? I want to know all about you. Good that you're doing great. Indeed. It's always great news. It's going good. The two dots make me think that you are working on something magical, on something way too big, as usual. But Nigma will always Nigma. Based. How about yourself? I haven't seen you from last year. Okay. I see. Should have kept on streaming, I guess. No, it's going great. It's going great. So, Happy New Year, folks. Now, for real, because I am officially in the new year. Last time, I was still in 2025. Ooh, feels weird to say, ain't it? Feels weird. 2026. Already there. So, for 2025, wow, 2026, I should have some kind of, I don't know, there's a name for that, but things you do because it's a new year. All good, Nigma, all good. Yeah, today, and hopefully the whole year, we're embracing pragmatism, okay? First of all, pragmatism, because it rhymes with autism, and that's half my chat. Second of all, because we need to get some shit done, okay? We really need to get some shit done. We're doing nothing in the project, okay? We need to get there, okay? So, with that said, I want to share with you my love of alcohol. I know that you, poor, subhuman, non-Canadian, okay? You don't have this shit, okay? You very good start for the stream. True. You don't have this, okay? But this is life, okay? So it's called Coureur des Bois, and it's some sweet cream with maple in it, okay? With some fucking maple in it. And we're opening it today for a shooter, okay? Because ain't no way that I'm starting drinking this shit too often. Let's get ourselves something started. Okay, a very small one, very small one. I shouldn't be drinking. My liver is not in the best shape. Hi, Dmitry. I'm doing the Slav's best thing, I guess, which is drinking. So, have fun, folks. God damn, it tastes good. Okay, I need to get this shit off my side. This is, like, the type of thing that you could drink all day. All day. That's usually for everyone that drinks poison. One shot went in, yes, and I ain't taking more. Like I said, my latest blood test, and by latest I mean for the last fucking 6 months, okay? There have been shit. So, I ain't missing with more. Yeah, I know it's poison. It is. Nigma, you are better than all of us. On that, you truly are better than all of us, okay? No, my friend. No. Don't even try, okay? Don't even try. One is good enough. What I usually do with these, I think I talked about it last time, but there is... I have never said anything about being better. I'm saying it. I'm saying you are better, okay? Not drinking poison is a good thing, right? I'm saying it. But yeah, if you can get your hands on this, which I don't know how you would, but if you can, try it with chocolate ice cream, okay? 2-shooter and a big fucking bowl of ice cream. Oh, that shit hits, okay? That's the type of thing that will make your liver die, okay? That's the type of shit. So, we're getting near our normal starting time, so let's actually do something productive and stopping the absolute alcoholism. But yes, you're asking, Dmitry, how was New Year? It was pretty great. Well, I didn't really celebrate New Year, but yeah, I had some people over yesterday. And it was fun. It was fun just seeing the few people that I care about. So it was pretty fun. I will never drink, smoke, or consume other chemicals that affect your neurons. I get that, my friend. I get that. Like, I am surprisingly clean. So, like, I'm the type of guy that never did any weed, never did any hard drugs, never did anything else than a fuckload of alcohol. So, yeah, I would say that I'm probably better than most, but still, I have my vice, okay? I have my vice. Only once in a control state, just to know and learn everything about it, so I'm safe if someone forces me onto it. Dmitry, for the last, like, 2 weeks, the YouTube has detected that my channel has more than 4 people in it, so now they hide more messages. So put yourself on live chat. Just a quick reminder that if you want to see all the message, live chat at the top left. That's how you get the fun, full experience of the stream, not only on your screen, but on the side of your screen. So... Why? Why do we have to go like that hard? We went from 2 to 69 in like 0.5 second with that fucking AI. Oh yeah, we're talking in AI today. No, I'm memeing, we're not doing this. Oh, my nose is fucking killing me. It's like... Okay. Enough. Enough memes. Okay, let's read a bit more. I sometimes comment, and the package just drops. So that's why I can write a follow-up. Yet it ends just above the base. Okay. My TikTok messages aren't even visible. I'm missing more on YouTube. Okay. Anyhow, enough burdening. Okay, we went from 2 to 69 is 0.69 seconds. Really? Gotta click some. I am a dumb fuck, okay? I was built for this. Okay. Let's stop the bullshit. So first of all, let's start with how I went about trying to resolve my problem, okay? So if you remember, for the last 3 streams, we're trying to parse the finds, and I'm trying to not kill myself. Well, You say, did one shot have that much effect on you? No, it's 15%, so it's not doing anything. Well, no, that's not true. I personally think that I'm a weak bitch when drinking alcohol because, as anybody with a previous drinking habit knows, that when you drink a lot, you become a fucking tank, okay? You become a tank. You just go through guzzling fucking liters of vodka and you're like, I'm still okay, still in contact with the universe. And now I'm like, 2 shooters? I'm starting to feel it, right? So I feel like a weak little bitch. Alright. Alright. So, yeah, we were trying to parse the define, and let's just do things in like... The music is way too loud for me. Alright, shut the fuck up, music. Good. Okay. So, we're trying to parse defines. Now, defines, there's like 3 ways to have them. So, we have define... fuck J, we have define fuck J that gives you another thing, so that's like a macro, right? It makes this into this, and there's a define that does, I know that it's not the name Nigma, but I don't know the real name. It does a function kind of thingy, right? So all of these define exist. We need to parse for them, and we also need to make sure that the occasional define backslash still works, and all of these kind of stuff. Now, the first thing that I was trying to do is trying to learn Python RE, so the regex way for Python. And, well... it's shit. Okay, let's just put it that way. First of all, there's no recursion. Whew. There's no recursion possibilities, so I couldn't do something like this, right? This would not work. This would fail. So I could never parse it. This is what I mean. So this is a big issue. Now, solution is to drop within our mind, okay? In our mind, we're always like, oh, we need to optimize, we need to get things fast. But in the interest of the new year, oh, that's the name, resolution, okay? In the interest of the new year resolution, we need to embrace pragmatism, okay? And pragmatism says, who gives a shit if it's slow? The only thing that matters is that it works. So what we're going to do is we're going to do something very fucking simple, okay? So number uno, okay, the first thing is going to remove this part. So we're going to remove the define part because there may be tabs, there may be a fuckload of space, we don't know what may be there, and honestly, I don't care. The second thing that we're going to do is we're going to try to detect whatever this is, right? So if there's a space, if there's a tab, if there's a backslash, we're going to attempt to detect it, and the most important, if there's a parenthesis, because if there's a parenthesis, that means that we have this third option over here, right? So the way that we're going to do this is just iterating through it. So we're going to go character by character, trying to find the thing. Okay? And whenever we hit, let's say a space, we're going to be able to say, okay, so that's the first argument, that's the second argument. Whenever we hit a parentheses, we're going to be able to put 1 in a counter, okay? And that counter, what it will do is if ever there's another parenthesis, it's going to add another 1 to that counter, right? So here we would be at 2, and then we would be at 3. So then we would decrease the counter whenever we have ending parenthesis. So here it would be, well, go down to 2, go down to 1, go down to 0. When we hit 0, ta-da! We've got our thing. Alright, we've got the end of this shit. Easy enough to implement? Yes, it is. Optimized? No. Who gives a shit? Pragmatism. Let's read some comments. Okay. So, hi, Ned. Alright, alright. It's the real name in the code of his... What? Anyway. Yes, premature optimization is the root of all evil. I may not understand your comments, it's all good, I love you all, okay? I'm gonna go exist with the family, bye-bye. Bye, Ned, love you. Yes, Ghost, I'm describing the simplest things. Hi, Stan. Yes, we are trying to get out of this shit. There's nothing like argument functions. How do you... I don't know what that means, but it's okay. Hi, trying CashOS currently. And, are you loving it? How do you feel about it? Tell us all about it. Easy, okay? Let's fucking do this. Alright. So... Alright. Okay, so we're going to get each char in this war crime. And then we're going to have a bunch of fucking, like, if this bullshit equals this bullshit, we do something special. And if it equals, whoa. Wait a second, just... Okay, those comments are the best one ever. Alright, alright, alright. What the fuck is this? Alright, let's delete this before I get, like, too bogged down. You can put a function define as an argument inside of another function define, but not define foo. Just heads up so you don't. Well, you could have multiple parentheses. Like, this exists somewhere in C preprocessor, okay? Those two characters exist 2 times. This is my issue. Yes, I agree. Nigma, I think that you're thinking too far about it. I don't care about what it does, I just want to parse the fuck out of it. So, right now, is else if a valid thing? Does it actually work? Okay, it wants us to do something, I guess. So, if it's a parenthesis, we can put one on a specific counter. So let's do parenthesis. Is this how you write parenthesis? Parenthesis. Bro. Parenthesis. Ah, shit, it's in Spanish. English. What's the word? Bro. Parentheses? With an E? Bro, wash. There's an H in there. I'm sorry, here's what I'm doing, okay? Okay. I guess. All good. That's the plural. I wanted plural, I guess. What's the exact problem? We're just trying to parse defines for the C preprocessor. So if you have a fuckj, fuckj, blah, that should work. Well, we have it over here, right? We need these 3 types of define to work. So that's what I'm doing. Elif. Oh, okay, that's how we write it. Okay. So this, 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 this. Okay. Oh, fuck it. I'll understand myself, okay? Okay. So bypass will be there to know whenever our second argument is, like, we're at the point where we have a second argument. This shit is there to check each characters. So now we should have, like, args. Okay, so arg underscore 1. We're gonna have arg underscore 2. Oh, that's some brilliant writing, okay. Here we go. So for this, we're doing this. Plus equal, whatever the fuck we have. Oh! Sorry. Okay, we're good. So if it's not it, so if we have a parentheses, we're doing +1 over here. We're adding the character to... goddamn. I'm a retard, I need to put this at the end. Okay. This needs to be here. This needs to be there. And we need this to exist as well. That's some very good commentary, okay? Alright, looks good to me. So, parenthesis, we do +1. Now, if our character is equal to a space, is OR a thing that exists in Python? Let's hope, because I'll be using it. So if it's a space, if it's a tab, so it would be \t, or if it's a backslash, what else? What else do we need to know about? Yeah, that's about it. So if it's any one of these, and if parentheses is equal to 0, this means that we are at the second thing, right? Yes, we are at the second thing, so we could put bypass to true. Alright, I think I got it. That, and now we just need to do a quick check for the parenthesis thing. So, so with those, and we can do elif a line char is equal to a closing parenthesis. Boom, boom. We can do parenthesis minus equals 1. There we go. So, let's think about this for 5 seconds. We have each character of our line coming true. So, we are starting with bypass, okay, which is at false. So, we're going through this level, okay? So, if it's a parenthesis, ta-da, we do +1 to parenthesis. If it's not a parenthesis, ta-da. Well, if it's a space, a tab, or a backslash, we check if the parenthesis value is equal to 0. If not, we don't give a shit. If it's a closing parenthesis, we do -1. And we should... We don't have to check if parenthesis is 0. Would this be a valid thing? Is this a valid, like, macro? Anybody has tried this in the past? You can do that, but actually... let's go with rejects. I'm trying to skip that. I forgot to add the second argument too, but I get it. You're online doc about macro. We're trying to parse some C code in the kernel, trying to shove it into a database and do something cool with it. But I think I cooked the solution, so we're probably good enough. Alright. Okay, so this part is there to concatenate all the lines that might be included inside of the define. So if there's a backslash at the end of the line, we're going to be able to detect it and concatenate the line. So that's good. Then we have this big ass line that we're supposed to be able to parse. Sorry, I was thinking about something else that we're supposed to parse. So we're going character by character, trying to detect if there's a parenthesis. If so, we're going to be able to note it down to make sure that even if there's a space, we don't fuck up our thing. And for all of the other characters that can create our second argument, we're detecting them only if parenthesis is at 0. And we have a means to put parenthesis back down. Alright, that looks good to me. Let's test. Yeah, I should probably do a test. That would be great, okay? So let's do the define thing, because right now we are creating class for every freaking thing that we create. So let's go in. Get in. Doop doop doo 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 doo. I love copy pasting shit. Doop doop doop. Okay, I need to know what's called. Okay. Where the fuck am I supposed to learn macros and shit? You guys had this at a website? GNU something? On GNU Online Docs. Alright. GNU Online Docs. Define. Macro. Alright. Why am I reading this? Macros are okay, so the first thing is an identifier. Right? That's the idea. The first argument is the identifier. Okay, I don't know whoever the fuck, like, stop the music, but... Mozart, get the F back in. So, identify here. Alright. So that's our argument number 1, that I'm now going to call the identifier so that we know whatever the hell we're talking about. And the second thing... Oh. Have you? Okay, I'm not giving you a choice, but I'll share our conversation publicly. Okay? So define food... Yeah, these two parentheses would fuck ourselves up, but our thing fixes it, I guess. Okay. Okay, but the real question is, are we able to parse them all using this shit? The thing I did. I think we do. Hi, MBWare. How's it going? I decided to go for pragmatism, which means just implementing some crass thing that will just work, okay? So I'm just trying to know what's the name of the second thing for... It's because it's not named a macro. Like, if I do C preprocessor define, what's the name of the second thing? Define macros. Is it? I always forget the website that you linked me. Oh, fuck me. I'll just look my history. Give me a moment. We were searching so much shit last stream. It was unhinged. Bro. I'm searching so much shit. Okay, sorry. Alright, we back. Okay. Yeah, it's CPP reference. Thank you. Yes, thank you, Enigma. I don't know if I said it. I'm in the flow state. Okay, define. Replacement. That's the name. Okay. I guess it's just to use something else than macro that they name it like that. Alright, we good. Okay. So this should allow us to now store our brand new parser 5000. And by the by, let's just copy over what we had. It was pretty good. Okay, here we go. Now the first thing should be arg1. And the second thing, we should probably have a quick check to see if arg1, sorry, arg2 is equal to this shit. We're going to say arg2, whoops, arg2 equals none, just so we have a neat none over here, right? That feels way better than this. Alright, so we've fixed the define, I guess. Easy. Pragmatism. Again? Bitch, check your car. Okay. Naming stuff in languages is funny, like std vector and cpp. Why the fuck would it... Who knows? I don't... To be honest, I don't get anything about naming things. That's why I use like the worst naming scheme ever. Like there's some people that just have it. I just don't. Okay, I do not. All right. We got that shit unlocked today. Okay, so defines taken care of. Now there's one big thing that is triggering me right now is that we have no ability to doobie-doobie-doo diagnose if there's an issue with these, right? We're not even able to read into these. So what we could do is, because we have this neat, let's put a bunch of new space here. Is because we have this neat class AST, we could define a thing for it. We could do like death. Then we won't need you. I believe it's underscore str underscore, boom. So what we could do is detect the attributes and then print them in a fun to see format. How about that? Oh boy, pragmatism, folks. So let's do Python get all attributes of object. Thank you. Get all object attributes. Vars dict. Yeah, that sounds like it. Built-in function dir. Okay. Okay, I guess this does it. So we could do result equals this shit. And we could write class, and then find how do we get the name of a class. Python get name of object. All right, function name my function, class my name, oh, type object name. Okay, sounds fair, I love it. That's something that we can do. All right, so we should be able to do that, but here we should do self, or else it's going to break. Self type name, undefined variable. It's self, you retard. Oh, sorry. Okay. This. And then we could add a space. We go into a for args in dir. Boom. Doop doop. This we do result plus equal. We should do this. Add a comma just to make things funny. Args. I don't know how dir export whatever the fuck it gets. Without argument, returning the list of name in the current local scope. With an argument, attempt to return the list of valid. I'm so confused. Bro, that didn't help at all. How should we use dir? Yeah, that's what I thought, Nigma. I wasn't really worried about leaking anything, but just wanted to say it so that you never send something. I hate when it does gay shit like that. Please stop. That was homophobic, sorry. To be honest, I like CPP, especially modern CPP. The clusterfuck comes from the fact that they want to make everything backward compatible. Look at CPP 20 when modules... Whew, Enigma is going to write a fucking panel to you, my friend. Enigma is triggered. Enigma, you gotta defend your honor. Okay, dear Python, built-in function, youpidoo, local scope, annotation doc, string, object, return, whose attribute you want to list. Okay, when we say attribute, what do we mean? Oh, of course, we don't mean the variables. Oh, but I could do a dir thing like this. But that's kind of dumb, right? I don't know. Is it? Hello, I'm back. Hi. Hi, DL. Thank you, that helps. It is what it is, base. The only language I dislike is Rust, holy shit. Okay, because of the people. Base. Okay, okay. Oh shit. How are we going to unscrew the screw? Look, I'm just lazy. We're going to have a self.arg in each of them. Can we reference these? Right? That's a thing that we can do. I feel like I'm doing something so fucking wrong. This is probably retarded. This should act like a pointer, right? Bro, this feels so bad. Let me read Dear for the 15th time and try to understand. Agentic AI. Are you trying to sell me something? You sound like all the people in my emails trying to tell me that they're going to give me $1,000 to shield this new AI. But just for you, my friend, I'll Google it. And if it's tits, I'll love it. Okay. Open code. My friend, that sounds unhinged. MBE where? I fucking love you. Alright, I don't know how much I want to mess with an AI, but I'll probably look at it. Enigma put some work into it. So let's look. Alright, that will probably help whenever I have a bunch of bugs. Thanks. Alright, thank you for allowing me not to kill myself, MBE. So you said VARs? And that should put it into a dictionary. So if I have a dictionary, I can then do key arg structure. So the key should be the name. Boom. And we should do this with a little space. Boom, boom. And add a space just so it's crazy readable. Alright, we love spaces in here. Alright, that looks pretty good. Alright. We're good. So now, if we go in here, that's done correctly. We have this parsing thingy. Now we do comment remover. Now we do... where the fuck is this used? Oh, okay, I wasn't ready. So I guess I can do this, this, this. And it's applied to self. My lord, based. Love you, it's Commander. Hi. Okay, like just. Okay. It's also made. I do. I think I do. I wasn't there yesterday, so I don't know if you missed 2 streams. Did you? You haven't missed much. I was yelling at defines like I did the last time you were here, I think, and well, I fixed it all today. So now we're in the testing phase, I guess. So we're supposed to feed lines through this. So let's just use map to make this even more cancerous, right? Because we can do a map, then add a comma right into here. Boom. Here we should do... Fuck, there's the thing about iterating. What's the name of the thing that I always forget that I need? It can range. Range its range, is it? No, it's not range. Shit, I'm a retard. Give me 15 hours. I need to know the position of the array. The position in an array, in a list. And also have the thing coming out of the list. Enumerate. MBEware, you're... MBEware, you're pretty much writing it at this point, okay? Okay. Alright. Okay, so this creates an enumerator. And then we should be able to... I love when you hide exactly what I'm doing. I love it. Yes. Okay, so here we have a lambda that we can just do this with. This should work, right? If we go to pre-parse. It might be inversed. It is inversed. Or is it? First it is the number, then it is the line. Shit. Yeah. I'm inverting what I'm saying. Holy. Alright. And then can we like exit here? Just to make sure that we're not running something for 10 hours. And let's just tuple this shit up. Look at this. It's going to work first try. Okay. Big dicks only. Whoa. We need to transfer it. Ooh, that's a disgusting transfer, friends. Ah! Okay. Okay, no. No, that's enough. That's enough, bitch. Where the F are these disgusting RE things? I don't consent. Okay, there's some rejects hidden in the code. Why do I have a sniffer and kids inside of the same function? Please. That's not good. Not good. Alright, I should probably read the error. Compile. Where am I compiling anything? I haven't transferred shit, bro. Boom! Okay. Missing one positional argument. Why? Why? Okay. Oh, sorry, Stan. Yeah, the reason why we're parsing is to put everything into MySQL, well, MariaDB, and then making websites with the result. I have some projects, some ideas about what I want to do, but for now it's a little bit useless before we've parsed most of the kernel. Did you know that PNG must be pronounced as ping as per PNG spec? I disagree. Why the Y? Because let me be back to the code. And just before SQL is pronounced SQL. It depends. It depends. Anyway, fuck, I hate pronunciation things. Okay. Let's go to this line, right? That's the important line. I don't know. Do you even see it fully? Give me a second. Not what I want. Please, get the fuck out. Okay, you can see it fully. Nice. Okay. The why here is because the reason I'm enumerating through the file is because I'm a retard. Sorry. I don't need to enumerate. Because the... Wait. Okay, my problem is I'm using map. Okay, let's just stop. Stop! We're overcomplicating, okay? This is the issue. We're overcomplicating. Fuck, you're right. I'm even dumber. I'm even... Oh my god! Forgive me, Father. I have sinned. Oh no! Don't look at me. This is so bad. MV, you're driving the ship, okay? No, SQL is based, okay? SQL is based. I love SQL. It's not good for the stream, but I do love SQL. Database design is just so awful. It is also the best thing, okay? It is the best thing. Well, I must be... I didn't even see that MBUware said that SQL is the best. It is the best. Why is MBUware that based? What the fuck? Door give me daddy, I have been naughty. What the fuck? Okay, the reason why I'm copying is because if I'm not, colors take like 15 business days before coming in because I'm using a shit IDE, okay? This is why. This is why I'm doing this shit. Okay. List indices must be integers or slices, not tuple. What? Oh. No? I should be using... No? Okay. Is that it? Am I getting it? Am I baguette? Oh. Oh, I gotta love that out of range. Okay. Let's read some comments before I become insane. I know what it is. I know what to fix it. Because I am an old programmer programming for the last 50 years based. This is how you get some real big brain shit. If you... Brother, if you don't stop with nano, I'll give you the bano. No. Okay, I've been for 10 years and feels like nothing learned. Any hopes left? Nothing. Easy. Open a book. Based. Emac, if... No. No. Okay, okay. Enough memes. Enough memerinos. Okay. Wait. Wait. 1058. 1058. I need some guidance here. Okay, no. Phew. Okay, my oof. That one was hard, okay? That one was hard. I was about that short from dying, okay? Oh boy. I was about to become insane. Okay, so what we need to check is essentially that we're not this. Alright. Sounds cool. Sometimes my brain does a little bit of sparking. Vim learning better die. Ooh boy. That's a lot of none. Think I should use filter instead of map just to get that shit out of my sight. And also there's something not working because it's not printing. Is it because we should be using 1 instead of 2? Is it that type of fingerino? And this, I think if we do filter, it's probably going to do it. Can I have my music, please? Mozart, get back in here. Yeah, play for me. I just want to diagnose. Stan, if it's good, I may try. Oh, it looks good. Oh, it looks good. We are in a covenant with all of these none. Good one. Like you have a void in your screen. It looks good, okay? Can you put Moonlight Sonata on? Am I going to get my ass lit for this one? I need... If somebody knows some... it looks probably good enough. Is it here? Not across my channel. Oh! We're putting it on. Dark. I need to scale that up. Let's go. I cannot hear anything. Oh! I know this. Yes! Get the depression! Yeah! I don't think you'll be able to pass a link in YouTube. If you're on Discord, you can throw it anywhere on Discord. Alright, I'll copy this this other one. No, not... I think it will skip if ever I'll copy it here. And it doesn't need to be classical, okay? Just find some music I won't get struck for, okay? Work, minions! Work! Okay, let's see what the F our thing is, and if it works. Okay, there's a couple of problems with what I'm seeing. Numero uno, not displaying correctly. Number two, not parsing correctly. There's a lot of tabs. What's going on? Filter does not execute the lambda? Well, it must. Why would I put colors? I'm happy being a war criminal, okay? But I am indeed confused. Okay, I need to print this in a way that I'll understand, alright? This is the issue. That's the issue. We need fuck J. We are summoning the power of the elite, the marvelous, the only fuck J. May our Lord and Savior, the F word with a J, absolve us of our sins and bring us one step closer to the one true God. Fuck J. The classical music doesn't help this one. Posted it on home English, alright. Alright, alright. Okay, I'll strongly think about it. But right now we're on a row, okay? We're rowing the fuck out. It feels like we're just passing. Oh, it's filter, sorry. Oh. Okay. It's I'm getting so much brain damage. Okay, there must be a way. That map skips the nun. Okay? I'm so triggered. I can feel, okay? I can feel MBEware killing himself in the background. Because he knows, okay? He already knows my mistake. But I don't want to use filter. Because filter only outputs the working thing. And I don't want to rework to the whole freaking thing. Dear Lord. I probably need to do it at the tuple level, and that's my issue. I'm just not using the right tool for the right thing. That sounds like it. Yep, folks. This is it. Maple not using the right tool for the right thing. Okay. You know what? We're going to bypass all of these things, okay? And we're going to do this, this, Oh, that is the stuff. All right, that's that's disgusting. Okay, we are in, and then we can check in pure Pythonics if the shit indeed is the shit, and if it is the shit, look at what we can do. Look at this, okay? Look at this. Oh, that's so good. That's so dumb. All right, let's put. We had another music to cue. Okay, is this something that we have access to over here? Okay, maybe not with that amount of detail, but okay, let's research it for real. Oh, okay, that's the meme. You know what? Fuck it. I'm living with it. Okay, maybe it's too loud for you. Too loud, too loud, too loud. Maple better at Python than me. It's not good, my friend. It's not good. Okay, we're still failing the string thing, okay? So, Python object print custom. I am the whisperer of retards. Holy, it's going to work. I don't have a return. What a freaking idiot. Alright, we in. Bing. You the boss on this one. Okay, MVP Bing. Shit. Too many values to unpack. How is that? Okay. Wasn't Vars supposed to be a dict? Let's just see what it gives. Oh, whoops. Won't work. You know what we need? We need brain power. But the... but the song in the background. Just okay. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at this. A giga brain move. We're sending it. Of a life I have never lived. In the Enigma. Maple Circuit. Ah! I haven't copied it. Jump scares. The fact that you pronounce Syndex as Syndex and not Syndec. It's Commander, that's a meme. I have no idea what you wrote, but I trust you. Attribute name must be a string. Not... Oh, I inverted it. Haha, I inverted it. That's it. That's the thing, okay? That's the thing. And I'm at... No, there's no mistake in my code, okay? No mistake at all. Okay. I believe in it. We're sending it. I trust Maple to write the firmware for my pacemaker. Alright, fuck it. We're sending it. Push it. Oh shit. He's down. Alright. Okay, Mozart, you're a little bit hard on the ears, okay? Is it hard for you too? Okay, you've been spared. It's good. Okay, so we've got the lines. We've got the things. That looks good. Now the define, okay? The define is probably a meme. Okay, so that's the thing. Ooh, there seems to be a lot of backslash-roonies. So let's take a look at what we're trying to parse in the first place. Did we have a new song to vomit? Okay. I need to sleep more. It helps to get through the depression, okay? But God, it's hard to go to sleep without a game, okay? Without gaming. Isn't there like oh my god, it shows that nuevo is there that exists? No, fuck, that's not it. Ah, that's it. That's probably copyrighted. We're gonna live with it, okay? Okay, let's cry, okay? Let's go into the depression. Wait long enough and you will evolve and get the ability to work 24/7. My friend, okay? you will grow up and you will get your ass raided by lack of sleep. Especially if you get children, okay? It's not the first time that I'm telling you this, and it's not the last time that I will. Okay? Based music, okay? We getting this shit on lock, okay? Where were we? Before I was memeing out. Okay, we wanted to know if this was okay, or if I was dumb. Okay. Can you play Beethoven? I will. The problem is that most free music is classic. Yeah, I'm here again, unable to fall asleep, almost 2 MNU time. I'm there. Good to see you. Good to see you, my friend. I would not say how's it going, but it's all good. Love you. Alright. No, you need to sleep less. I need to sleep the fuck more. I just saw the fact that I had some alcohol still. Holy shit, I don't want to think about it. Can you play? It's good to drink sometime, okay? Water, drink and eat, okay? Not not in that sense. Okay, enough. Enough dumb shit. We need to I sound so bad. We need to focus on the task at hand, okay? Task at hand. We need to know what file we're supposed to be parsing. This one, okay? And then, well, let's start closing some shit and hoping it's not something we need. I'll regret it if I close that one. That one is saved. That one is good one. Okay, that's what I want to. Okay. Bootlin. Okay. Let's get this up. So, let's copy this over there. Okay, so we're trying to find the define. Did it parse it correctly? Okay. Okay. I'm starting to be here for it. Where's the result? Let's copy that over. Yeah, it's all one line, but if I reconstitute it, should probably look something like that. Alright, so let's put some tabs into it, just to make it look like something. Boom, boom. Okay. And what does it look like? Okay, so we're supposed to start at the do. So do we start at the do? We started the do. I think it's bad that we have this. Right, we should probably have something to detect the big space here. So... okay, we could do, just before sending it, we could do an L... what's the thing that cuts? L strip. We could do L strip, detect for backslash. If there's a backslash, L strip again. Sounds fair for arg number 2. Right? Because here what we could do is this. We L strip arg number 2 back into arg number 2. And then we could, whoops, that needs to be there. Then we could detect if arg number 2 at position 0, it would probably be a good idea to check if arg number 2 is something in the first place, right? No, I don't need to do this. I can do get. Right, I can have that works. I can do a safe thing. Equals backslash. So if there is a backslash thingy, I should do this, boom. And then we start at line number 1, at character number 1 to skip the backslash, and then we strip again to make sure that we have the most compressed thing that we can. This should work. This should fix it. I preferred the other one. Let's bring it again. Let's bring it again. I love this one. Okay, it's a nice song. Not song, but whatever. We'll play Beethoven afterward, okay? Looks like an infinite loop. Sorry, while 0. You're braining right now. True! I am braining on all cylinders, okay? And see my computer crash in the next try. Yeah, I'm somebody that thinks in my head a lot. STR does not get... okay, I get it, it's okay. But... yeah, I need to think about explaining more, right? So here, because it's an STR, we need to make sure that it's not because it's a string, we need to make sure that it's not an empty string. If it is not, we are going to get the first character of the string, which if it's a backslash, we need to delete the backslash. If it's not, we've already done the else strip, so we can directly return. And well, shit. If it is empty, we need to act on that, right? So it's probably better to do something like this. Okay, because here we're testing for an empty arg2 after the else strip. If that's the case, we should set it to none. Hey, fucker. Yep. It's kind of repeating, but because it's after the else strip, we're going to let it go, I guess. Well, no, it's just retarded because the, okay, it's just dumb. It's just dumb, sorry. We're only dealing in strings. arg2 is set as a string at the start, so else strip cannot fail, right? So that's why I have no shame in using it here. But array, the instructions for arrays can still fail, so we need to be wary of them. So, alright, I think that will work. I think. Unless I forgot something along with it. Coming back to peak music right now, indeed. Hide the wives and the EULAs, I'm violating all bounds. What the fuck? Does Python treat while condition as loopable? Yes, question mark? I'm not sure that I'm understanding what you're saying. A while is a loop, but... Okay, while 0 will execute, but won't jump back. I'm not even sure I'm understanding what you're saying. While 0 would not run at all, in my understanding, in Python. Okay, yes, sorry, my friend. Bodan. Sorry if I'm destroying your name, okay? I'm a bit retarded sometime. So what we're doing is we're parsing specifically the C preprocessor instruction. So these... That's cute! Okay. So things like the defines, right? So here we have a define, the endif, the if. So what I'm doing precisely here is just trying to get the two arguments, because the define is probably the most complex of them, at least for now, of the one that I've wanted to parse, because there is the possibility of having parentheses in them that will make you overlook if a space is actually determining if you're at argument 1 or argument 2. So this is what we're currently doing. We're just making the thing work to put each thing in the right container. We're just packing something up. That's what we're doing. And I'm cleaning the things so that we're not storing emptiness under another name. So this is what the else strip are for. So the else strip is there to make sure that we're removing all the tabs and the space from the left side. Then I check if there's a backslash, because if there's a backslash, that means that I have a second line after that. And I should clean the spaces in front of that line too. Now this technically should be a loop, because maybe a dev is a fucking retard and like has a bunch of backslash up in their shit. And we should probably check after doing this modification to see if we don't have this state happen again, right? Because we might have Dr. Retard try to do some shit that shouldn't exist, right? Sounds fair. So if you were to do this atrocity, right? Let's just think about it. If you were to do this, well, it should probably still be none, right? There's no second value. There's only blank. There's only bad choices, and we should detect it. So this is there for it, right? We're detecting the first character. If it's a backslash, we're doing the strip thingy. And if it's empty, then we set none. So while repeating this, we should have a clean output. Okay, nice, nice. I haven't copied over the thing. I'm a dumb fuck. All right. Yes, I like adding shit to my new line. I love it. Okay. So now we should... Let's just start from the beginning, copy everything over, and see how freaking based the output is, okay? So let's output that thing. Oh, should put that there. Should put that there. Do, boom. If, boom, boom. Oh, boom. Right now I'm feeling a little bit like, because I'm saying boom way too much, I feel like this kid with his father, like, what? Your mom's dead? 3 big boom for the guy. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, if you have seen that, that's pretty freaking funny. But anyway, enough memes for today. Okay, so let's just look if we've parsed it all. So we should start with the do thingy and we should end with the while thingy. So have we parsed it correctly? We're not talking about the same thing, I bet. Set to cap if null. Set to cap if null. Fuck. Okay, what happened? Okay, so where is our parsing gone? Wait, have I forgotten something here? Oh, I forgot something here. Okay, okay. We're back. We're so back. We're back. Yeah. All right. Maple, I sent a... Wait a second. We already have... We had Beethoven somewhere. Rust was talking about it. Allegro. Shouldn't say that again. Hey, Big B. Okay. Get me that shit. No. Alright. It's alright. What are you doing, Big B? Get in. Alright. If it's too loud, yell at me and I'll see within 2 or 3 business days, okay? Let me read some comments. Oh, I'm not at the right place. Alright. See what consider is executable. Hide your wife from Andrew. Alright. But why do we want to parse it in the first place? Oh, to put it inside of a MySQL database, and with relationship magic, we're going to be able to do cool graphs. Maple, I send music suggestion. We're going to look at it after this one. I sent you a thing on Discord about solving the copy that is too often forgotten. Right. Je suis étonné pour toi d'oublier le fichier. No way! Wait. Okay. MBUware just sent me the script to automate the copy of the thing. The copy of the file. Okay, that's a nice one. Nice one. So, yeah, you hear nothing. It starts very low. Okay, here we go. I guess it's a bit better now. But okay, so thank you for the script. I'll implement it after stream because I know that I'll fuck it all up like 15 times and it's going to be very dumb. But hey, thank you. It would have taken me way too much time. Show script, okay, I'll show, but not my conversation with him, okay? we speak in French together, okay? MBE is based, but we've got a cool little script, okay? We got the full script. Ah! Okay. Enough memes. Sounds a bit strong now. Is it? Holy shit! Calm the fuck down, bet. Okay. Sounds okay. So, is there a backslash machine in the front of security in one loop? We are nothing, but you should probably copy into the examples. Well, he's taking so long, so I don't know. Okay, we good. Okay, we good. That's the only important thing. So, we're parsing a fuckload of things. Yeah! Alright! I'm happy. Okay. Happy. So, is the line number okay? So, line start, 866, 873. Let's just look. 866, 873. Boys, we in, okay? So, what have we not implemented, okay? What have we not? So let's just go back to the, this thing or somewhere else. We had a place with all the things we wanted to know about the things. Well, I guess the list is here. We don't have a new one for includes. We could do pragma. I have no clue what it is. Do we parse include at this level? I hate my life. Or parsing includes again. Okay. Okay, include it is. Inside the loop, you set toArg to none. If it's an empty string, it won't cause a key access error in the while condition. Whoa. I'm going to read this way more seriously. Okay, wait a minute. I'll go back here, okay? Inside the loop, you set arg2 to none if it's an empty string. Won't it cause a key access error in the while condition? Bro, you're made of fucking steel! That's... Okay. What a catch. Captain, we have an anomaly emerging in our full spectrum radar. There's a synchronized low energy pulse, perhaps a communication attempt from an outpost amongst the planet nearby. What should we do? You should go seek medical attention. For fuck's sake, Andrew. I told you to go see a doctor, okay? I'll call the doctor for you. Do I need to be your mom? Okay, go seek medical attention, please. Okay. Yes, everything works. It's perfect. it's so not perfect, but who cares, okay? It works. I'm just happy, okay? Let me be happy. Happy, happy, happy. Okay, we need includes now. We need includes, folks. Includes. So, how do we parse includes? Simple. Numero uno. We go and copy shit over. Okay. Why did I choose the only one that does not work? Okay, it does. Okay, sorry. I thought I was a full-blown retard for a minute. Okay, so include. If the last line is pure viral AIDS, we else strip it. Then we should be able to do something with it. Okay, so we have some amount of parsing that we need to do again because it's an include. Do I want to be lazy and just reuse what I already have that works? Yeah, I think we're going to the lazy part. I'm crying. It's okay, Andrew. Don't stop crying. Okay. So I have somewhere in there that I have a reject that I have no idea how it works, but you know what? That's the magic of it. Oh, it's probably in the place where it's supposed to be. In the get include place. Alright, get include. Why would it be anywhere else? Okay. Ba -ba -da -ba -ba. Wait, what the fuck is this shit? Oh my lord, that was my disgusting attempt at making things work. Probably works pretty good. I'm trying to get what the fuck I was going at. Okay. First of all, music. We need some music. I think I have a Discord for it. Oh lord, I have a lot of things. Hey, that Vorak idea, very good. I'll download them all. I'll download an actual thing for go fuck yourself. Okay, Dvorak it is. Is Commander? You're a dipshit. I agree with your idea of MBWare. I agree with using the function to rewrite it. I just don't understand my own function. Bodan, I would stream earlier. Sadly, I've got a job. But, if ever one day this is my job, I will, okay? I will think about all of you EU fucks, and I will stream early every day. But hey, that's kind of intense. Is it blowing your ears? Okay, I'll lower it. Just, oh no, it's okay, I think it's okay. Yeah. I'm praying for this day to come too. It would be fun to be able to have some time with my daughter, goddammit. She needs to learn to speak better. Anyway. Having to choose my time to work would be very fun. But in any case, my frustration is enough. Okay. I'm confused here. Okay, so worse, okay. This code already does it all, okay? It already does the magic. So... all of the EU fucks sure do too. Oh my lord. Okay. So... That's the name, EU fucks. Okay, so we're split line the file. So we have the file, we're splitting every line, we're scanning every line, trying to get the include. So here we're supposed to have a big tuple full of line containing only the line that starts with include. Now, if there is something inside of that file... okay, it's too loud. I hope it's still manageable. Vorak seems to be a little bit intense. So if we do have result, we enter this shit. We have two arrays that we're creating. We're listing through the result. So we have multiple lines of include. We're listing through these lines of include. We're trying to do a match at line 9 or 10. At character 9 or 10. This means that we have absolutely no godforsaken flexibility in this piece of shit code. We're not able to know if... for example, somebody would do an include that looks like this. Include, tab, 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 my, we would need this, right? How do I do this? Oh, that works. My aids.h, right? That would not work, right? That's the, how do I, which key? Key! Okay, okay. I was wrong, okay? French-Canadian keyboard. Fucking shit, okay? Control-C, Control-V, okay? So, this would not work. Who would do this? Bodan, we don't question, okay? We... what the fuck is this? Oh my god. Someone that's really sleep deprived. True! This is... you know when... 9 to 10, that one's a good one. I didn't see that one, okay? That's a good one. Okay, enough. I need to I need to stop thinking about this. I'm going to die. Alright. Okay. Yes, it is really funny, okay? 9 to 10? What a dumb fucking code to write. Or, like, why? Where did I think that was a good idea, right? Okay, Okay, let's just redo it, and I'll copy that part over whenever I'm finished, I guess. So, if we find include, what we should seek to do should look a little bit like what we did before. So we cut the working line. Boom. Cut the working line for the size of the include. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Boom. 8. Now else strip, so we remove the spaces. So here we should be able to do an if. We check. Let's first start with if we have something. Well, we could do not. And do return, because the include would be empty. And then do. Let's copy this. Let's be lazy. CPP, include. Include. Here we go. That looks good. So we should be able to return this, but empty. Let's put an empty thingy here. All right. Like, we're going to note down that there's include on that line, but with nothing. That would be retarded, but I guess it's still possible. Is Maple Christian base? Programming. We're parsing the kernel, trying to get everything into a DB and make a cool website with it. Might as well put LAN include in there instead of magic number. Ooh, that's an idea. Yeah, the comment. Well, they all work the same. I mean, look, if you're not able to understand that part, you're a fucking retard. I'm sorry. I'm just going to say it. They all work the same, so... I'm just going to go with, you're dumb, okay? You're dumb. Not smart. I should probably do this equals this instead. Alright. We're doing some Trumpism over here. Alright, so if this, we should put this in a if. Or should we? There's so many ways that this could become retarded. I'm trying to think about how devs could make something horrible. And I'm not sure I want to think about it. Command block. What does that mean? Oh, you're talking about its commander. No need comments, okay? Only big dicks over here. Okay, why? You know what? We're doing this tomorrow. Okay. Do we have anything that we need to remove from this? Okay, we're doing this pretty great. I think I cleaned everything up pretty good. What is shit? Okay, that was for testing, I believe. We're going to come back to these war crime a little bit later. So, but for today, okay, tomorrow, we're parsing the shit, bitch, and go do some reusable code and get a Zendai. So that's the plan for tomorrow. That's the plan. What is this shit? Yeah, a lot of progress. That's sleep for you. So, yeah, I will try to sleep early today. Because we're doing pretty good. We're doing pretty good, and we should probably keep that up. If we keep that up, maybe by like maybe we'll get out of the C preprocessor. Okay? Maybe we'll get out of it. Woo! No, next week next week for sure. We need to be out of there, right? Or where are we? We're Friday. Okay, so tomorrow, the day after, last day on the preprocessor, then we get on clear good shit, okay? You know the type of shit that you smoke? That's the thing that we get, okay? So now that said, love you all, folks. I'll read the last comment. A lot of progress. You saw at least the C++ me, Mr. Commander block. You call him Mr. Commander block. Not done. Actual output. Yeah, thank you for being there. Bodan, thank you for being there. Don't forget to sleep. Yeah, hope it helped. And again, if you have any question, we're about to send that. Absolutely, I will look at this. Whenever I need some reference, you've given it to me. Thank you. All right, I think that Pella said something retarded, so they probably got their ass kicked. Good on that. Accident, is it? We'll tune in. Okay, no, it's good, Pella. I was like, did somebody just yell the N-word in chat and did not get filtered by YouTube? What the fuck happened here? First time seeing the actual not banhammer, but almost. Yeah. Okay. So it's all good. It's Commander. Love you. So love you all. We'll see each other tomorrow, and of course, by then I'll try to download a lot more music. So, mobile interface is clunky. So, ban bonk. Bye bye. Love you all, folks.